Bridget, you did a really nice job here with your edited video and helping us to understand a little bit more about the infamous leader of ancient China. I can't remember how to pronounce his name. Sorry about that. But I really loved how you opened up with yourself because that really will help to capture the students' attention. I know it caught my attention and I really wanted to hear what you had to say. And then you immediately let us know what this was all about. You told us what the learning objectives were going to be. And then you led us into this really interesting tale about ancient China and the emperor, the first emperor. And you used some nice images as well as that little video of the fire. It was kind of fun because it kind of switched to that. And again, that's the important part about creating a video is making sure that you're adding enough elements to hold your viewers' attention. You hit all of our little elements that we were hoping to feature in our edited video. For example, as I mentioned, you started off right away with your learning objective. Your visuals were right on, and that was really neat that you had access to that. I guess it was like a 3D version. I have it showing here of the, or a 360-degree panorama. So it was neat that you could zoom in and again, capturing my attention because I wanted to see closer when you zoomed in. So that was really nice. Your narration was very clear and engaging. And I really liked the tone that you used because I felt like you were right here talking to me. Especially at the end when you invite the students to really dig deeper and learn more and really question whether or not they believed that this emperor was justified in what he was doing. You also did a really nice job of just keeping the time was well done. It was a little bit shy of what we were aiming for, but actually it doesn't really matter, especially because it seems like I think you had just under 4 minutes, which is a good time frame for the age of the students that you're trying to reach. So that would be definitely appropriate, not to make it too long. You also added your credits and works cited, so that was super nice and great way to model for your students. One of the elements we were looking for. The only thing I would love to have seen would have been, or heard, I should say, maybe would have been a little bit of music in the background because sometimes music helps set the tone of what you're also trying to teach or convey. And so that kind of may have added a little bit more dynamics to the video, but otherwise it's fine. So job well done. Thank you very much. I hope you get to use this video with your students, and I hope that you find it an inspiring way, especially now that you're teaching online, to create some ways to give content to your students other than maybe just text or even through synchronous meetings. So anyways, job well done. Thank you for doing all that.